have your attention, please. Located in the front of the rec center, the Roseville High School Marching Band. For the Roseville Big Bird Run. We're here at our 25th annual Big Bird Run, and I'd like to introduce Daryl McKee and Russ LaBarge. They are runners that have participated in all 25 of our runs so far. Daryl?
I'd just like to say that I think this is the greatest 10K in the state of Michigan. I've run it for 25 years, and I get slower every year. I'm getting to be an old man, but I can still do the course pretty good. And I hope today I can pass my nemesis over here on the end, Russ LaBarge.
Good morning. 25 years ago, our first race, we had 70 people, 70 runners. We had about 3 people at one table taking all the registrations. Today we have over a couple hundred people and volunteers, and this race has just grown and grown. Our first year, we gave a live turkey away for the winner of the race. That's where we got the name of this race, the Big Bird Race.
Hey, that was Mr. America.
Go! Go, Gary! Go!
In first place, in the 2028, Kelly Fagerman.